beautiful here. Gold Camp Road is, I think, better than Garden of the Gods.
That's so good. It is like ice cream.
I'm Stacy.
And I'm Kevin.
And we are on a Colorado road trip.
Road trip, baby.
And we are in our little tiny house you can see behind us. And we are camping and we are checking out all of the different places and hiking and doing all kinds of cool stuff through Colorado. So today, our adventure is Garden of the Gods. So we're super excited to be here and to get to explore, but we can't do that until first we have some breakfast. And one place to stop in Colorado Springs is Amy's Donuts.
Holy moly. It's, I've never seen so many donuts. Okay, so the first donut we're gonna try is bacon jalapeno. Now, they don't fiddle around when they put the jalapenos on there. It's gonna be a hot day here at the Garden of the Gods. It's different texture than I expected it to be. It's like the pickled jalapenos, but it's good. I need another bite. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the Heart Attack, which has got peanut butter, bacon, some kind of other stuff, and chocolate drizzle. This is a Heart Attack.
This is called a Little Pig, which has something in it, and croissant and cheese.
If you don't know me, I love hot dogs, I love croissants, and I love cheese. So this should be just a little chunk of heaven for me right here. And the cheese is actually in the dog.
Eric's
Amy's Donuts for the win.
So if you're at Garden of the Gods, there are a couple different sections. One section is seeing the actual garden, and it's got a paved sidewalk. And then we're also going to try some of the trails, because there's tons of trails too, like over 20 miles.
22 to be exact.
We're gonna go 22 miles.
No! Good thing I had donuts this morning.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I...
So we had a really good time at Garden of the Gods today, and now we're too tired and lazy to do another hike, so we're doing a Jeep ride. We're going to Gold Camp Road, but just the road to get here is super beautiful. It looks like there's places to stop off the side and probably do some little hiking. I'm just gonna say the Gold Camp Road is, I think, better than Garden of the Gods.
Yeah, I agree.
No, I do think this is easy. It's just like it's just a kind of a far way down, and there's no guardrail, which makes me get a little bit nervous, but Kevin's a good driver.
With you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So we had a really good time today going to Garden of the Gods, and then an exceptional time on our Jeep ride at
Golden Road?
Gold Cave?
Golden Cave?
Gold. We don't know. We had an exceptional Jeep ride as well. And now we're back at the campsite and we are hungry. So I'm going to show you how we make boondock soup and boondock sandwiches. And the reason we call it boondock soup and sandwiches is because everything we use is either canned or dried goods. Nothing has to be refrigerated. So we start with these canned goods. We also have canned butter as well, which is pure butter in a can. We don't have to refrigerate that. And miracle of modern science. And we have cheese, Velveeta cheese, which doesn't have to be refrigerated until after you open it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open this butter and we're gonna put a little butter in our pan. We're gonna open our can of hamburger and we're gonna put our hamburger in first. Our dog on a trip doesn't want to eat. So I use some of the leftover juice in the can and put it on his food so he will gobble it up.
That's what you call a spoiled dog right there.
This is already pre-cooked hamburger. We're just kind of heating it up in the pan. And you can do this over a fire as well. So we have this cast iron Dutch oven that goes right over the fire. So because my pan's not that big, I'm gonna start out by putting in just a little bit, like half of the can, just so I can see where we're at. But normally you would just dump all of these in if you have a really big pot. I'm doing it. We're gonna let this heat up, and while this is heating up, we are gonna get our boondock sandwiches ready. Okay, we're gonna open up and cut some of this cheese. Let's cut the cheese. Put a little butter on that just because then it cuts nicer. We're gonna butter the bread. Put on some cheese. Oh my gosh. And voila, we have our boondocking soup and sandwiches. So it's now time to eat and see how it tastes. For some boondock dessert. So basically everything is canned good or dry goods. We have some apple topping, milk in a can, some Dream Whip in a box, and some biscuits. So the first thing we're gonna do is mix up some biscuits.
Are the skeeters bad?
They're so bad. It's a good thing these recipes are quick. We're gonna dump in this Dream Whip. So then you're just gonna put dollops of the biscuit mix on the top. And we're gonna let that.
All right, let's see if these Dutch ovens can do the trick.
It is steaming. That's so good. It is like ice cream.
Great day. We're gonna end the night with a fire, keep the mosquitoes off. The smoke kind of helps keep them away. So we're gonna get this all hot and roaring pretty soon. If you want to see the stuff we've used and the things in the videos, go to our website, www.befreebenson.com. And for more videos like this, go to our channel and click on the playlist. Also, if you found value in this video, go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel.
And as always, going out on adventures, doing things yourself allows you to
Be free.